NextStar Technologies DIY High Pressure Crack Injection Kit. Perfect for the previously incorrectly repaired poured concrete walls or very small actively leaking cracks. Patched with hydraulic cement, tar, or any other incorrect method. Here is an example of a typically failed repair that was used with hydraulic cement and after a year is leaking again. High pressure crack injection steps. Step 1. Drill the packer holes. 2. Clean out the packer holes. 3. Install the packers and tighten them. 4. Prepare your polyurethane and the activator. 5. Inject starting at the bottom. Packers are installed at a 45-degree angle to intersect the crack inside the wall. This reduces the chance of missing the crack for injection. Notes: add polyurethane to your tool as needed, but only mix what you plan to inject. This will help reduce waste. Completion: after the injection, it may get a little messy as the polyurethane foams up as it cures. Wait for the polyurethane until it hardens, then it can be scraped off. Leave the packers in place for a week before removing the Zerk studs, and only if they're in the way. The chemicals can stay active inside the wall for 7 days. Using a single or dual component high pressure pump is the same procedure, just that the work progresses much faster with a pump. Visit us today at nextstartech.com or nextstar.ca, or give us a call at 866-445-3984.